Welcome to our series of BinSense installation videos. In this video, we'll take you through getting BinSense equipment sorted out on the site. We'll head out to the yard in a second, but before we do that, make sure you bring along the printed site map with the list of bins and corresponding BinSense unit serial numbers. You can access the printed site map by looking up the site on the BinSense web dashboard and clicking the printer icon. You'll also want to take along the quote details for the site, listing what length and type of cables are being installed in each bin, as well as the accessories required for each bin. Once you're on site, sort out all the BinSense equipment by bin using the serial numbers shown in the site map to find which unit belongs to each bin. Then use the quote details to sort out sensing cables and other accessories for each bin. Cables don't have to be installed in specific bins based on serial number, they just need to be the right length and type. While sorting out BinSense equipment for your BinSense Plus site, make sure to set aside the automation hub and ambient sensor, which is the main communication device for the site, and doesn't get installed on a bin. Bins that include automated condition management as part of a BinSense Plus system also require BinSense fan controllers and plenum sensors to control aeration fans. Check the quote details for which accessories are required for each bin in the system. When more than one cable is being installed in the same bin, each cable needs a unique cable ID. You can set the cable ID using a BinSense Direct unit and the BinSense mobile app. Open the dealer tools in the mobile app and select Program Cable IDs. Plug the Direct unit into each cable individually and use the app to change the ID. It's easiest to do this while the cables are still on the ground and easily accessible instead of on the roof of the bin. Once all the equipment is sorted out, you can begin installing cables. Check out our other BinSense videos for details on how to get everything installed and running on the site.